Hey you guys, I hope you're all doing great and amazing. So, we're back on this little one. Okay, just hold that thought for a second. This is future me editing the video right now. I've recorded this video like a few months back and I didn't edit anything, I didn't do anything, I was procrastinating, like just enjoying life. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and all that jazz. And can you guys please like and subscribe? It helps the channel grow. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. And here's the rest of the video. Yeah, and I've had this idea for a while now about tuning this car. I don't know if you know, but you get like a Mercedes DTM car, the pace car or safety car that runs in front of the race cars with the lights and all of that. I'll put a picture up here. Anyway, so I want to tune this car into one like that, and obviously I don't have the stickers for it. I went to like 4 people trying to get prices and have stickers made, and everybody's always got an excuse, so they don't want to help a guy. So I'll just have to end up figuring out making it myself or whatever. But anyway, I've got the lights, so we're going to be installing lights on this car, the flasher lights obviously, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to be putting it. So I'm going to have one over there in the center of the car, and then I'm going to have the rest here at the bottom of the bumper on both sides, and the other one there at the back I've got like this little glass thing in the middle. Let me show you. I've got this little glass thing and I'm going to install it in there, so that in there, so it will be bright and you can obviously see the stuff flashing or whatever. So the lights that I've got, okay, so I've got all of these lights. This is obviously individual lights. They're like, you can set them to run in a row or flash like this one and that one together and that one and that one, or they can run vice versa. You know the drill. These are the lenses. I was like trying to lay them in white vinegar and then baking soda. I don't know, trying to get all the yellow out of it. They're still wet, but it seems to be like quite in there. Anyways, I'll just install everything and after that I'll figure out a way to sort the yellow out. But anyways, it's going to go like this over there, and then obviously in the middle as well. Obviously I have to check the angles and get that all right. I don't think I'll be able to fit it. No, there's not enough space for it like that. Maybe at the bottom. That just looks weird, I'm not gonna lie. And that's too high up, you won't be able to see anything up there. It's too deep underneath, so I think that will be the best option. So I'm going to do that. Obviously I'm going to take these first and install them like that. You just literally bolt these lenses over those, and that is how it works. But I'll have to wire them all up individually to the circuit board over here and get their wiring layouts and all that jazz. Okay, So I'm going to be running the wire through this channel over here because it's got a nice channel that secures the wire, make sure it doesn't rub through on anything. Then at the back here, there's like little buttons that you just push out. You can run wires through into the cabin. So I'm going to have to take this flippin' small battery out that I've got here and then I have to run the wires through here. The reason why I'm running them individually is because each of them has got their own sequence and their own time when they have to like flash or whatever, so you can't run them together, otherwise they'll all just flash one time and not individually. So that's the reason why. I'm going through that hole over there above the power supply wire, obviously for the fuse box at the back, and you have to take out, let's not bump this door, light, where's the light, over there. Okay, you have to take out at the bottom this cover. It's literally just bolt over there, bolt over there, and I think that's it, then it slides out. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I've been thinking, oh shit, I'm going to only run 2 wires. The one is obviously from there, it runs at the bottom there, all the way through into the car. So I'm only going to run 2. I'm going to run this one on this side, connected to the one that's going to be in the center, and then this one on the outside connected to the other one on the center. So that one and that one is always going to be flashing together, and that one is always going to be flashing together, so it's going to be like an offsetted. Otherwise I'm going to have to run 4 wires and that's going to look absolutely horrendous. So I'm going to do it that way, and plus it's going to be less wiring. So then I'm just going to obviously run a wire from this light to that wire there, and from this light to this wire here, and just solder it into each other there and into each other there. Okay, I've soldered all of them and taped them up, and you know the thing. And now they're all hanging over here. So I already assembled this one over here. You can see I'm just gonna zip tie to the up there, and then this is how it looks, and it's gonna sit like that. So I'm just gonna assemble the rest and do the same. Okay, now that we've got the wires in the cabin, don't worry, I'm gonna extend that and this one as well to make it longer. You can just take this off by pulling it out. I already pulled it out. It's just hooked in there onto these little clips over here. And this side panel piece over here, it's got a little bolt in here. And then you just literally take the rubber off and take it out of the way. And then you just have to pull this piece forward to release this clip over here. Okay, so I've started laying the wires through the bottom here and the carpet, going through here. And I'm gonna put this thing back so long, and then this strip. Okay, so the wires are coming through there, and then I still have to solder them into the other lights, and I'm probably gonna take them through here somewhere and end up having it up here so it can go through that little window over there. This is basically where it's going to lie, and then the wiring goes down there to the back out, and then it's going to run off of a 12-volt lighter socket. Okay, I had it all assembled and it looked like that. I took it off one of them now because I don't like it. It looks tacky. So I think I'm going to put it behind the grill and see how it looks then. The back I've completed, and you can't even see it. It's literally inside there behind the window. Let me just switch the light off. There we go. So you'll never notice it at the back. Okay, so I moved them behind the grill so you don't notice them as easily as you would as they were outside, because they looked actually quite bad because they are a little bit yellow and I can't get the yellowness out of it, so it just hides it a little bit better. So this thing is lying loosely here. Let me just put the light on. There we go. This thing is lying loosely here because it's got magnetic bases. And this parcel tray itself has got a metal rod to stabilize the board. So it's magnetized to that metal rod. It like grabs onto it through the board. So the magnets are at least strong enough for that. So I just put them where I want them, which is there, I think, somewhere. And then that's the perfect height or whatever for the glass at the bootlet, as you can see there. Now that all the lights are done, I still want to put a light there on the roof, and I think in the windscreen on the inside, and maybe at the back somewhere on the bumper. I'm not sure yet, but after I'm fully done with it, I want to have stickers made for it, obviously, to go here on the side of the car and there on the hood. And I probably still need to remove all that blue patches that's there on the roof over there. It's been on the car for like a year now and I haven't done anything about it, so that will probably be in the next video whenever I decide to make another one. So basically I want stickers to run across here the door, and I want a sticker that runs over the hood like that, or that way, whatever works. And I think at the back, I'm not sure, don't look at my garage, it's super dirty at the moment. At the back somewhere, I'm not sure, I'll have to figure that out because there's not a lot of space for anything, because that diffuser is taking up a ton of space. And what's on my back? Oh, don't know. And there's not space here because the plate is there, so the lights are running in that window, so I'll probably have to end up using the sticker, putting the stickers there at the top. I'm not sure. I'll see when I plan it out. I'll put pictures on the editor and see what I can do, and I still need to remove that. Look at it. It's been on the car for like a year now, and I still haven't gotten to removing this glue of the old stickers because I'm lazy. Can you guys please like and subscribe? It helps the channel grow. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers.